Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Realme C1 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set face unlock in Realme C1 smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone and select face and passcode. Now click on face and draw the pattern if it is asked and click on enroll face. Now select continue. Now keep your phone in front of you. Your face will be scanned. Now check whether the face unlock is working or not. Yes, it's working very fine. Once again I check it. Yes, it's working very fine. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.